Hindi kompleto yung Pasko para sa akin pag walang chicken, macaroni salad. Ito na yung assigned dish na ginagawa ko. My recipe is very similar to this one, but you can personalize. My tita would add diced hot dogs or ham. My lola would add raisins. Sometimes we would add diced apples. Kanya-kanyang trip. So make this macaroni salad your own. For me, the creamiest, yummiest chicken macaroni salad will always bring back memories. Ito talaga yung ina-assign sa akin dahil magaling daw ako gumawa ng macaroni salad. Naniwala naman ako, and it has become one of my specialties up to today. Mas masarap siya days after when all the flavors come together. We add our shredded chicken, diced cheese, seasoned with salt and pepper, and lots of love. Remember to chill to make it even better. Creamy chicken macaroni salad. Since bata ako, ito talaga yung favorite ko, and it has to be made with Lady's Choice.